You know, every time I come, I put it down. She know how to keep.
Hey glam mommies, it's Tanya M and I'm back to bring you another review / tutorial on how to get this look, where I got this unit, how I slayed it, how I made it work, all that, etc, etc. So before I get into the video showing you how I slayed this unit, let me tell you where I got this unit from. So this unit was purchased by moi from Amazon. I heard about this company and I instantly went and bought one of their synthetic wigs. It's called Fuhsi, so F-U-H-S-I, so I say Fuhsi hair. So that was so horrible, sorry. So yeah, I purchased this unit. It was about $50, so 49-ish. I'll put the price up here somewhere. I just don't have a phone with me. And I wanted to get this unit because the review said it was number one, it's a good synthetic wig, and number two, it was like a 13 by 6 inch lace frontal. Of course, I don't ever use all of that parting. Like, I probably go up to like 4.5 inches of parting because that's natural to me. But yeah, so it is 13 by 6, 13 meaning from ear to ear, and but the 6-inch parting going back stops about right here, which is still more than enough room to create whatever style that you want. There are already a few reviews online, so you can check those out. I did really went in and customized the unit as far as the frontal, the perimeter, meaning the hairline, and the thickness. I thinned it out. I show you how I do that and everything. Well, I don't really show you, I kind of fast forward, but I also will link a video where I did show you in detail how to customize your lace wigs. I think there's 2 of them I have. So yeah, I have those for your references if you didn't get it from this video, if it was not as detailed for you. So tangling, it doesn't tangle anymore because I thinned this joker out. It was thickest. It's a 250 density, so I thinned it out because everybody knows when it comes to synthetic wigs, depending on how the density is, it will tangle up on you. And a good way to eliminate that or to reduce it is to thin the wig out. Not only in the back, how I did it, but also on the ends. So I did thin it out on the ends, and I'll show you. I use like 3 techniques for that. So as far as the length of 22 inches, it still is 22 inches. I didn't cut any of the length off because I wanted to keep the length. 22 inches, 20 to 22 inches is like my ideal hair length, whether it be human or synthetic. It does come with 3 combs, so 2 on the sides and 1 in the middle, and well, 1 in the middle, like right here. So it's like after the hair stops, so like right here for the temples, all the way back here for the 3rd in the front, and then 1 in the back with adjustable straps. It does come with a little bit of lace in the back, so if you ever want to put your ponytails up, I probably won't do that. I never do that. I did do the baby hairs. Obnoxious, I know. I'm obnoxious with the baby hair, but that's just me. I'm really, you know, not as horrible as Nicki Minaj. Maybe I am, but hey, whatever. The parting space, you might want to pluck it. I started to pluck it and it just stopped. As you'll see in the video, I was like, whatever. It's not that big of a deal. So yeah, you might want to pluck it if you want more of a natural parting area. For me, this is sort of, for me, it depends on your liking, because some people like wide parts, some people like small parts. I prefer the smaller parts, not too small so where you can't see it, but this is perfect for me. What else? Let me turn around so you can see. I did try to dull down the shine with a little bit of I use a lot of dry shampoo. I always use the dry shampoo. This is Dove Refresh and Care Volume and Fullness Dry Shampoo. So what dry shampoo does is dull down the shininess of the hair, which is needed for some synthetic wigs. And yeah, prefer the side part. It looks really good in the middle also. I probably won't be doing any of those tricks with the ponytails, not as of yet. I did lay this down. I don't know how long this is going to stay like this. This might be just my look for this weekend, and then I'll go back to my normal black hair for work. But you know, it's my weekend off and I want to enjoy my colored wigs. I don't get to wear my colored wigs that often, and this was a new one and I want to record this tutorial. So let me go ahead and show you all this. Oh, and this is the box that came in. Nice little packaging. So yeah, do I think it was worth the $50 after I customized it? Yes. They do have plenty of other colors. They have like a pretty, like a bronzy brown. They have a like orange is a new one. Nothing really crazy, but more like the autumn colors, black, red. I might get the red one and finesse that one because I'm loving this actually. Like, I didn't think I was gonna like this that much. When I pulled out the package, I was like, there's nothing special about this wig. It's another Amazon wig, and you know how Amazon wigs come mad shiny and you gotta customize them. But I'm really impressed by this actually. I kind of like this. Anyways, let me know what you think down below. Make sure you comment. Let me know what you think. You can go over to my Instagram and follow me there. Also, I will put the link to my Facebook fan page so you can follow me there. And I will have the link to the wig down below. But thanks for watching. Bye. Hi girls, my glam mommies. Today I actually am going to be showing a tutorial on how to finesse your Amazon wig. So a lot of y'all know that you can purchase like semi-frontal wigs via Amazon. And I did purchase this a while ago and I kept meaning to do a review on it, but it's a lot of work. I'm not gonna front, it's a lot of work to finesse a synthetic lace wig or a regular wig, for the simple fact that, or I would say a synthetic wig more than a regular human hair wig, because they come less natural. You have to customize the hairline, which you would do that with a synthetic human hair lace front also. But with the synthetic lace frontals, they do always come a little bit thick. So what I do is customize the hairline first. So I don't cut the lace off. I just go ahead and customize the hairline. If you want a more detailed tutorial on how to pluck your lace frontals, I still do them the same way. You can definitely, I will definitely link that video below.
Nigga coming round, cause she know I'm with all the girls that's looking at. Okay. Cause they know soon as my song come on, it's a wrap. Said I love the attention that I get when I do what I do. Girl, working out.
Okay, hey guys, so I'm back. As you can see, I have finished plucking it to my liking. This is roughly how much hair I took out just from the hairline, so don't be alarmed. So yeah, so now I'm just setting the cap on my head. This is how I like to measure how much hair I take off, because I can see how it looks on me. I have my mirror behind the camera and it's like I have a better look. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and customize it. If you want really detailed, then I will, of course, the video that I linked earlier will still be there. What you will need: a pair of thinning shears. It has the comb on one end and the scissors on the next. This is a razor comb, helps to thin your hair out, and a pair of regular hair scissors. Brush, of course, just to take away any of the extra hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and start, and then, you know, y'all can watch.
Hey, I'ma let you tell me what you want me to do. She knows She bad, but she ratchet when she on the floor. Yeah, right. Move, go. So bad, I gotta give her everything she wants. What you want? I told her, shout it. I can tell he's been fucking you wrong. So wrong. She said, I need it now, so just come on. Let's fuck to your new song. Said I love the attention. I kid when I do what I do, girl. Working out on your body. I'ma let you tell me what you want me to do.
Rolling up, I do you proper. Park the Benzo in the plaza. Smoking that lava, smoking it loudly. Every time we fuck, you be moaning and wildin'. Lifting your leg up, shit getting wetter. Fuck you so long that I'm fucking my bread up. Spend all night just to get this shit set up. Now you got it set up. Fuck, we set it off. We done talked and we set it off. I'ma fuck you, just set it off. So fuck me and set it off. Fuck me, set it off. We done talked and we set it off. I'ma fuck you, just set it off. So fuck me and set it off. Grabbing on a nigga designer. I'm tryna find you. Girl, you a diamond. Body breed, body count, throw that Rihanna. Swear the whole world can hate as long as we shining. You know I spend days on that corner, we grinding. You was there before the days when a nigga was grimy. You so good at scoping out a nigga that wanna lie me. Put me in the house with 5-0 tryna find me. Girl, I'm on that watch, so I'm fucking you wildin'. Girl, I'm from the dot, so I'm fucking you wildin'. Put it in your spot, got you moaning and wildin'. Shawty close the door and just fuck me in silence. Fuck me, set it off. We done talked and we set it off. I'ma fuck you, just set it off. So fuck me and set it off.
Like I need some lip gloss. But okay, so I laid the wig as best as I could. I will admit, you know, the lace threw me off a bit. So I try to like cover up the lace. I OD'd, I will admit, with the baby hairs to cover up the lace. But whatever. So we're still gonna rock out. So I think I'm just gonna make this a center part. So yeah, I did have the baby hairs come down a little bit longer than like this part because of my edges. Because my edges come down like to here. Like, yeah. I don't know where I got that from.
But I still wanna fuck you. You know what I do, shorty. I'm out with the crew, shorty. You know how I move, shorty. I've been with the thugs too. On the avenue, shorty. Selling on the avenue. You know what I had to do. I'm not about to act with you. You know how I had to move. Grimy with the shorty, shorty. That's just how I had to move. Silence when you wait, girl. I'm up on the way, girl. Don't let me just wait, girl. Don't let me mistake, girl. You know what I do, boo. You know who I be with. I be on that G shit. Fucked around 3 shit. All up on the couch, girl. We was on that free shit. I be freaking you, shorty. You ain't about to move, shorty, no.